Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video. So today I'll just be showing you guys some quick and easy, simple hairstyles that I basically do every single day. They're my go-to hairstyle. They're perfect for when you're in a rush to go to school or work or anything. So that's like why I like to do them a lot. So yeah, I'll just be showing you guys those hairstyles. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. As well, make sure you like this video, it really helps me out a lot. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first hairstyle is actually the hairstyle I'm wearing right now. Just my regular like wash and go hairstyle. I actually made a curly hair routine video a couple weeks ago, so that'll just be a link down in the description, so go check it out. And yeah, so basically it's just this, and I just like kind of like flip my hair over to the side because I just like the way it looks on me better. And yeah, so that's basically it. And yeah, so this is the first hairstyle, super quick and easy. Just your natural hair as it is because it's beautiful. So yeah, so the next hairstyle is actually a hairstyle I like to do a lot. It's my half up, half down hairstyle. So all you really need for that is like an elastic, a brush, and yeah. So basically what I like to do is I just like to go like right above my ears and like grab some hair. Okay, yeah, so what I like to do is just to grab some hair into like a nice little ponytail. It doesn't really matter like how much hair you grab, this is just how much I like to do, and I just like to grab like a good chunk just so it's like a good sized ponytail, as you can see. To show you, yeah, and then you can just like play around with the sides because sometimes like I like to grab like an extra piece of hair, it doesn't come in a bit, and then I kind of just like put my hair like up as if I was going in a ponytail to make sure I would like if it was like this. And if I do, then that's basically how I do it. So to show you how it would look from the behind. Yeah, so I just like to get a scrunchie or whatever, just to section off the bottom here so it doesn't get mixed up with the top part, because I literally hate when that happens. So next what I want to do is I want to smooth out the top ponytail. You don't have to if you don't want to. Personally, I like the like smooth, like slick look, so that's what I'm gonna do. Basically, when I'm gonna start off to smooth off my hair is just like a brush or anything. You can use a comb just to, so the spurt is kind of like brushed out and smoothed down. So the hair gel I like to use is just this Dove Styling Care hair gel. I just got it from Walmart. Basically just get some and I kind of just like put it on my hair just like this, just so it helps to like to stay down. So next what I like to do is just grab it all up and then just get a smoothing brush. I just use this one, you can use any one really. So if I use my smoothing brush, I like to just brush my hair all back like this. Just make sure it's all smoothed out. After that, you can just get an elastic band, any one you want to use, or any hair tie, scrunchie, or whatever. You just take it and then make sure it's all slicked, and then what you want to do, grab your hair tie and then just put it in the ponytail. Super simple. You honestly don't even have to put like hair gel or like brush the top part if you don't want to, but that's just what I like to do because I like that look better on myself personally. So yeah, so I just like loop it around 3 times, and yeah, so then afterwards I just like to go into the brush again to make sure it's all smooth out. And yeah, next afterwards you can just take the bottom like scrunchie out, and then there you go. So this is the second hairstyle. I really like it, I do it often. Super simple, literally just like a ponytail for half of your head. And yeah, so I'll show you what it looks like from behind. Okay, so that's basically it for this hairstyle. super quick and easy. I like this hairstyle because we still like want to wear your hair partly out, but if you want it out of your face, this is perfect because it just brings the top part of your hair into a little ponytail. So yeah, the next hairstyle that I really like to do is just like the low ponytail with the middle part. So all you have to do is start off with a middle part. Like I already have one here right now, but what you can use if you like don't have one or you want to make it like more defined and straighter, you can just get like a comb and basically just like draw a part in the middle of your head to make sure it's straight. So basically what you want to do is, this part's like already pretty brushed out. All you want to do is get get your smoothing brush out again, and you just want to smooth all your hair down so we can go into the low ponytail. So yeah, that's all we need to do. Smooth it all out. Just like that. We can grab a little bit, you can grab some more hair gel for this, just so it stays. So you can just get your brush, smooth it out a bit more if you want. Then just take your, then all you have to do is just take your hair elastic, pull everything down, all your hair down into a little ponytail, just like this. And then you can just use your brush to make sure everything's in place just the way you want it before you tie it with a hair tie. After you brush it out, you just want to put your hair into a low ponytail. So after you do it, you can just pull your hair to make it tighter, and then you can just like get your brush, smooth out your hair again, and there you go. So I'll show you what it looks like from behind. So yeah, really like this hairstyle a lot. So the next hairstyle is a hairstyle you can just go from here. Basically you want to have like a middle part, a low ponytail, then all you have to do is just twist your hair into a little bun and just wrap it around. You make it as tight as you want or as tight as you don't want, but yeah. So yeah, I feel like it might be a little bit too much. Okay, yeah, so this is the next one. So the next one is just like a little low bun with a middle part, something really cute, simple, but it gets the job done. It's quick and easy. So I really love it. Okay, so the last hairstyle is a hairstyle I really like to do a lot because it's probably like whenever your hair just doesn't look good, you can just do this hairstyle and it just hides that it doesn't look good, but you do a hairstyle and then it does look good, if that makes sense. Anyways, so now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna brush our hair back again. This time we're gonna like brush the back too, because this hairstyle is an all-time favorite hairstyle of mine. It's just my high bun that I like to do a lot. Next we're just gonna get the smoothing brush. I kind of like mastered this hairstyle because of the fact that, yeah, because when I was younger I did like ballet and different dance moves for a long time, so I just got quick and at doing the high bun and like making it look good, making it stay all day without falling out. Because people always ask me like, how do you do your high bun and like get it to stay? Like, do you like, what do you, like how do you get it to stay? And all I use to get it to stay, all I use is just one hair elastic. For some people, you might need to use hairpins and stuff to get it to stay, but for me, this is all I need to use. So what I like to do is I just like to twist my hair up, kind of holding it at the same time so it like stays, and you're basically just twisting it, and then twisting it up, just like this. After that, what you want to do is you just want to get your hair tie and wrap it around twice, and there you go. Afterwards, you can just like go back in for fresh and like smooth it out again. Just so it's nice and neat and sleek. But that's all I do to do my eye bun that I always do, just because it's literally the easiest thing for me to do. So yeah, this is just the last hairstyle. I hope you enjoyed these 5 super quick and easy hairstyles. These are my like go-to all-time favorite hairstyles just because they're super quick and easy to do before school and work. So that's why I really love to do them. So yeah, these are literally like, I'm not lying when I say these are like all the the only hairstyles I ever do. Anyways, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It would mean a lot to me. Make sure you subscribe to my channel because I have a lot of fun video ideas for 2019 that I can't wait to put out. So make sure you're subscribed for that. And if you want to see more of me, you can always follow me on Instagram. It's always linked down in the description. As well, I also linked down my previous videos in the description box. So if you want to go check them out, go right ahead. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll just see you guys next time.